Mother. Sucker.
Happy Sunday. Carlos is leaving me to go to Vegas. Can you believe that? Hello. Happy Monday. Who's that? Who's that, Penny Butt? Carlos is out in Vegas, so I'm taking care of Penny. And I have to drop her off at his place this morning before I go to school. She did good last night, didn't you, baby? You were a good girl last night? Hmm? You like the cuddles, huh? Anyways, I'm off to school. But I'm meeting Tanya, which is really nice because I never get to see her, so. So, I am done with school today. Usually I'm done at like 6:30, but the AC is down in the business department, and that's my department, and it's extremely hot. It is like, it says it's 91 on my car. Made it back home. I'm gonna go to the gym. I figured I'd go now before it gets really crowded at night. And then I'm just gonna like probably do homework and stuff for the rest of the day. I usually don't come home till like late at night, so it's nice to have this time. I'll probably do like some arms or something because I have little twigs that I need to work on. So yeah, happy Tuesday. I am going to pick up Carlos from the airport. He's coming back from Vegas finally. I got him a welcome balloon. Welcome. And then I got him his favorite chips and a Arizona green tea. He's probably not gonna eat it now, but hey, I should be cute. He's back.
I stink.
And he stinks. And he's all partied out. And now he's gonna
So
go
tired.
take a long sleep.
You a pussy and a rat. You like Tom and Jerry, nigga. You ain't ballin', you just talking. That's that commentary.
Happy Thursday. We're matching.
Oh my god, it's Thursday?
How cute are we? We're gonna go eat. I'm in my interview attire.
Does this smell? I wearing it?
No.
No? Nice, because you know how you said that I stinked when I came back from the airport?
Yeah. Guess where we're at?
Sushi.
We're at our ghetto sushi place.
It's not even ghetto.
It's so good and nice inside, but like the
Cypress.
outside is so ugly. I don't know why they don't try to make it better, huh?
Still bomb.
Yummy.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, Atlantic Dragon and the Jungle Fever. Happy Saturday! We are about to go pick up one of my mom's friends, one of our family friends, from the airport. We're going all the way to LAX, so that's gonna be like an hour drive. But yesterday I didn't get to like fill you guys in on what I did, so I went to a wedding. I went to Tanya's sister's wedding, Brittany, and it was really fun. It was really small and cute, like very intimate. I loved it. I really love this lip color. It's by L'Oreal. It's the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lip in Cowboy. Dries down perfectly dry. It's kiss proof.
Is my hair good?
Nothing.
I need to check my hair.
Yeah, it's cute.
And it's such a testament to how it's like the kind of thing where we didn't even know what we were allowed.
Crazy way to think of things.
It's insane.
The lighting there was perfect.
Yeah.
So LA, palm trees in and out, LAX. we're waiting for her. So we decided to go to the In-N-Out in the famous like park by the airport to see the planes.